Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another episode of Host Me. What's this host doing?
Hi guys.
Guys, do you know this host is stealing something in the kitchen?
I couldn't take my eyes off of the crayfish.
How are you guys doing? And my name is Temidayo Ojieyan if today is the first time of joining me. And this channel is all about faith, food, fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So today is another episode of Host Me and I'm being hosted by my friend Temmy. Can you introduce yourself?
Hi guys. My name is Temmy. Triple T extension. But you can also call me Olayemi.
So guys, I'm being hosted by my friend, and when you host someone, you're supposed to be cooking, right? But she's a bully.
You know that they usually make exception for things, and this is one of the exceptions that you usually make for things. It's not every time that you have CEO Triple T kitchen in your house, so I'll leave all the cookings to her.
Don't mind that, guys. She's a bully. She told me you're coming to cook egusi in my house, and you'll be the one to cook it. And that, guys, today we're going to be cooking egusi soup together, which is also known as melon soup. So I'm going to show you what we have as the ingredient, then we'll go right into cooking. So right here is our melon, and this is frozen, so I'm still going to dissolve it, so don't mind the way it looks. It's grounded already. And we have our frozen spinach as well. It's been sliced. And right here is salt and seasoning powder and ground crayfish, and we have dry locust beans. And right here is the palm oil. Then we have smoked fish and some dried shrimps as well. Right here is our beef. It's been boiled already. You can use any type of protein of your choice. And here we have snail. The snail has been boiled as well. And this is our beef broth and shepherd red pepper, onions, and Scotch bonnet. So the first thing to do is to grate my pepper. I'm going to wash the pepper and grate it now.
To the ocean, yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance.
So guys, our egusi is ready. Triple Kitchen has done what she knows how to do best. This egusi looks yummy, and trust me, it tastes yummy also. If you notice guys, the lump in the egusi has been dissolved, and that is because my children don't like seeing lumps in their egusi, so we have to dissolve it. But if you are cooking yours, you can either leave the lumps there, or you can dissolve it like this. Trust me, both taste yummy in your mouth.
This can be paired with any starchy food of your choice, and this can also be paired with rice as well. Let me know if you like this, and if you're gonna try this, just leave it in the comment section. And if you want me to do the lumpy egusi style, just let me know. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you do enjoy today's video. If you do, please kindly click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you're yet to. Bye.
Bye.